Pharmaceutical is very ingrained in my family history. I grew up in a family home that pharmaceutical was the business that provided our food on the table.
So working at Fresenius Kabi, I think what inspires me the most is just the feeling that I get from knowing that I'm doing something that is beneficial to patients in the hospitals or wherever, doctor's office. So I just really feel like I'm having an impact on people's lives.
Coming from a family of engineers, including my dad and 2 sisters, we were always kind of taught, how can we help?
I originally started wanting to be a teacher. I like teaching, and being a supervisor, I have to train a lot of people in the group, just trying to grow and develop them.
This equipment, this facility teaches me something new every single day. What excites me is to be able to take this brand new team and make this site successful and basically just implement our culture that we want to implement and making sure that we're making quality product.